What's up, everybody? So I was asked to make this video, and the reason I was asked to make it is because this video is really significant. And when you know something significant is when the majority of people that you say something to tell you that you're going to need body armor. So I'm going to read this letter. This was a letter to the editor that I heard is on the Governor DeSantis's desk right now. On April 5th, 2022, at the Sarasota County School Board meeting, numerous citizens were not happy with the board's recent behavior, but the school board refused to act in the spirit of good faith and ignored repeated petitions. At the end of the meeting, a school board member made a complaint to the attendants and other board members regarding the fact they have been threatened to be sued and have existing cases going back to 2014. They also noted, to date in 2022, Sarasota County School Board had spent over $300,000 and the previous year $800,000 of taxpayer funds for retained legal services. Furthermore, the school board referenced hiring, quote, in-house attorneys to defend them in cases. The real inquiry derives from the fact the citizen already pays an elected state's attorney, and under Florida statute 27.02, the state attorney has a, quote, duty to represent the state for which the school board is a state of Florida political subdivision and public body by definition. Therefore, shall represent the state in all cases to prosecute or defend in circuit and county courts, either criminal or civil. Are school boards and other public bodies superseding the limitations of law for which they have a duty to be obedient by hiring in-house and or retaining private law firms to pay for services already funded by the public? Does the fact the state public bodies retain in-house counsel and or private law firms to be loyal specifically to them and not in the interest of the public good present a foundry of protection of corruption or revealing poor representative behavior and a preponderance of impropriety? What amount of taxpayer funds in Florida are spent on legal defense without the people's consent by the public bodies? So I've been asked to make this video, and I've been told that you're about to shake the storm, or you're about to shake things up. And it's not just school boards. Any public entity or any public government, counties, cities, municipalities in Florida, or in the country actually, are supposed to use state's attorneys, and they're not supposed to have in-house counsel, and they're not supposed to hire law firms, because we already pay for a legal service called the state's attorney, that we elect the state's attorney. So it's to the public good. I don't know how much money we're talking about, but Sarasota County School Board spent $1.1 million in the last 16 months to private law firms. So that's a lot of money, public money, that's going to law firms. So I'm telling you this. I'm also going to tell you this. There is a case right now in the 20th Judicial Circuit of Charlotte County, and there is a motion on the table, and I'm the petitioner in that case against Charlotte County Board of County Commissioners. So it's Robert Lewis Kraft versus Charlotte County Board of County Commissioners. There's a motion on the table precisely regarding this question and requesting an order to remove the in-house counsel representing Charlotte County Board of County Commissioners and have a state attorney appointed under statute 27.02. Government entities and public bodies are not allowed to use private law firms, and they are not allowed to have in-house counsel. That's how our laws are written, and they've been doing it, and they've been hiding their bad behavior with it. If you're a parent, if you are at odds with your government, if you are angry at the amount of money they're spending, if you are angry at the way they're acting, this is the problem, and this needs to be dealt with. The 20th Judicial Circuit needs to issue the order, thereby setting precedents that these public bodies are not allowed to use in-house counsel, and they're not allowed to hire law firms. They will use states' attorneys to defend them. And it will be in the best interest of the public. God bless you guys, and stay safe.